Have you ever been in nature and felt completely free? Have you ever looked at the sky and seen thousands of stars? Many people think camping is difficult, but today I will show you that camping is simple if you prepare the right way. So in this video, you will learn how to prepare for a camping trip in very easy English. Are you ready? Let's start. Introduction. Hey, English learners! Welcome to this A1 English listening practice. Today, we will talk about how to prepare for a camping trip. Before you go camping, you need to plan, you need to pack, and you need to check some important things. In this video, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand and practice your listening. 1. Choose the right camping place. Before you go camping, the first step is choosing the right place. You should choose a place that is safe. You should choose a place that is easy to reach. For beginners, the best places are parks and campgrounds. A campground is a place where people camp, and it usually has bathrooms, water, parking, fire pits, tables. These places are easier and safer than the forest or mountains. If it is your first time camping, choose a simple place. Choose a campground close to your home. This makes the trip easier and less stressful. Check the weather. The next step is checking the weather. Weather is very important for camping. If it rains, camping becomes difficult. If it is very cold, you need extra clothes. If it is very hot, you need more water. So, before you go camping, check the weather online. If the weather is bad, choose another day. If the weather is good, camping will be more fun. Good weather equals a good camping trip. Make a packing list. Before camping, you need to make a list. A list helps you remember everything. A simple camping list includes a tent, a sleeping bag, a pillow, food, water, a flashlight, clothes, a jacket, matches or a lighter, a phone, and a power bank. When you have a list, you can check each item. This helps you feel ready. This helps you feel confident. Bring the right tent. Choosing the right tent is very important. For beginners, a tent that is easy to set up is the best. Many people use an instant tent because it opens fast and easily. If you choose a difficult tent, you may spend a long time trying to set it up. So, choose a simple tent. Choose a tent that is the right size. A tent for 2 people is usually enough. Clothes for camping. Clothes are very important when camping. You need comfortable clothes. You need warm clothes for the night. Even if it is hot during the day, nights can be very cold. So bring a warm jacket, a sweater, extra socks, comfortable pants. It is better to bring more clothes than you need. Being warm at night makes camping more enjoyable. Bring light. It gets dark quickly. In nature, it becomes dark very fast, so you need light. You can use a flashlight, a headlamp, or a lantern. Light helps you cook, walk, and see your tent at night. Without a flashlight, camping becomes difficult and dangerous at night. Bring simple food. Food for camping should be simple. Choose food that is easy to cook. You can bring hot dogs, sandwich ingredients, fruit, snacks, water. You can cook these foods over the fire or eat them cold. Simple food equals less stress. And remember, cooking is one of the fun parts of camping. Learn how to start a fire. Before your trip, learn how to start a fire. You can watch a video, or you can practice at home in a safe place. A fire helps you cook food, stay warm, and see in the dark. Enjoy the night. But remember, always be careful with fire. Fire can be dangerous if you don't use it correctly. Think about safety. Safety is very important. Stay in safe campgrounds. Do not leave food outside at night. Do not walk alone in the dark. And stay close to your family or friends. Camping is fun, but you must be careful and smart.
Camp 1. When you arrive at the campground. When you arrive at the campground, the first thing you should do is find your campsite. Every campground has many campsites. Each campsite has a number. So you look for the number on your reservation. When you find your campsite, look around. Look at where you will put your tent. Look at the fire pit. Look at the table. Look at the trees. Try to understand the space. This makes everything easier. 2. Set up your tent early. The next step is setting up your tent, and this is very important. Set up your tent before it gets dark. During the day, you have light. You can see everything. You can see the ground. You can see the poles and the parts of the tent. At night, it becomes very difficult. So take your tent out of the bag, put it on the ground. Find a flat place. Not too many rocks. Not too many roots. A flat place helps you sleep better. If you have an instant tent, like many people, it is very easy. You open the tent, you pull the sides, and the tent stands up quickly. It takes only a few minutes. If you have a regular tent, it takes more time. You need to connect the poles. You need to put the poles through the tent. You need to lift the tent and make it stand. But no matter what tent you have, be patient. Take your time. Make sure the tent is strong and stable. 3. Prepare your sleeping area. After the tent is ready, prepare the inside. You can put sleeping bags, pillows, air mattresses, blankets. Make the tent comfortable. You will sleep here, so it's important to feel good inside the tent. If you have an air mattress, inflate it. Put your sleeping bag on top. Put your pillow near your head. Make everything ready for nighttime. 4. Start the fire. Carefully. One of the most exciting parts of camping is starting the fire. But you must be very careful. Go to the fire pit. This is the safe place for fire. Never make a fire outside the fire pit. Use a lighter or matches. Use small sticks to start the fire. Small sticks burn easily. Then add bigger wood. Take your time and be patient. Fire needs time to grow. 5. Cooking over the fire. When the fire is strong, you can start cooking. Cooking over the fire is simple and fun. You can cook hot dogs, meat, marshmallows, corn, simple vegetables. Use skewers, long sticks, to cook your food. Put the food on the skewer and hold it over the fire. Slowly, the food will cook. Be careful. The fire is hot. Do not touch the fire. Hold the skewer at the end. 6. Making s'mores. Fun part. To make a s'more, you need a roasted marshmallow, a piece of chocolate, 2 sweet crackers. You put the marshmallow on the chocolate, then you put the crackers around it like a sandwich. This is a s'more, and it tastes amazing. 7. Enjoy the evening. After cooking, enjoy the night. Sit around the fire. Talk to your family or friends. Tell stories. Relax. Look at the stars. Camping is not only about sleeping outside. Camping is also about spending time together. 8. Be ready for nature sounds. At night, nature becomes very quiet, and sometimes nature becomes loud. You may hear birds, insects, coyotes, wind, other campers. These sounds are normal. Do not be afraid. Animals usually stay far away from people. 9. Wake up early. When you sleep in a tent, you usually wake up early. Why? Because the sun rises and the tent becomes bright. Also, birds start singing. Waking up early is part of the camping experience. You can enjoy the fresh air. You can enjoy the quiet morning. 10. Clean your campsite. Before you leave the campground, clean your area. Pick up your trash. Do not leave food on the ground. Leave the place clean for the next people. Nature is beautiful, and we must protect it. Conclusion. So this is what you do when you arrive at the campground. You set up your tent, prepare your space, start a fire, cook your food, enjoy the night, and clean before you leave. Camping is simple. Camping is fun. Camping helps you relax and enjoy nature. Thank you for listening to this A1 English practice. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try camping one day. See you in the next video.